Hey guys, so I just landed in Casablanca and this is my room and here is the view. I think you can't see properly, but I'm gonna do something exciting. I always do something exciting. Anyway, I'm gonna do something very new that I've never done before, and I'm going for hammam, which is Moroccan bath. So I heard that there's a very nice hammam in the mosque. So they have a hammam under the mosque, and I think it's like 10-15 minutes ride to get there. And I heard that the mosque looks so beautiful, and let's see if we can get it in the Moroccan bath. And let's see. I'm so excited for this. I've never done it and I've heard so many nice good reviews about having a Moroccan bath, so I am looking forward to it. So basically in Moroccan bath, someone will bath you like a baby. They will scrub you with the scrubber and take out all your dead skins. And after having a Moroccan bath, you will feel like a brand new baby. That's what they say. So I also wanted to experience, since in Morocco this Moroccan bath is so famous. It's like their ancient tradition, so I am looking forward to this. Some few things here, a towel, some changing clothes, and I'll get there. And my alarm is on. I was supposed to wake up only now, but I couldn't sleep, so anyway, I'm all set and ready. I have a mirror here. Stress. Anyway, I just wanted to wear something simple, culture appropriate, something with a blazer, high neck inside. It's 16 degrees here today, so just I'm wearing it like this. I don't like wearing my glasses, but since I can't see distance properly, I have to carry my glasses everywhere. And I wear lenses at work, but I don't want to wear lenses all the time, you know. So I just want to give a break to my eyes, so that's why I always wear eyeglass in my layover. Anyway, me and my friend, we are supposed to meet down at 6 p.m. So now it's 5:40. I'll meet her down in 20 minutes and I'll show you how it looks like around. This is the view from my hotel. Got in the taxi. It was 12, right? 12 Moroccan dirhams. So we made it to the mosque. And it's like the golden hour time right now. Yes. It looks so good. Quite chilly, but I think it'll be okay. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So big, beautiful. Time to go inside the Moroccan bath, which is hammam. And oh my god, so pretty, beautiful. It's quite windy as well. We're going to the hammam now. We don't know anything, like they're saying that we have to cover our hairs to go inside, but we don't know. We don't understand them because they don't speak English. But they just point us somewhere to go now, so we'll go double check. They told us to go family, there's a here. Sit here. We have to go down here. It's I think down here, see? Stairs. It shows here for female thing. Wow, there's the ocean there. There's the sea out there. The waves are so strong. So strong. Wow. Here Victoria share aro rukyo lagi wase. Manu choijun mujun lagi resi so takan khatam hua chide ho wase. Maybe Victoria to pulo lena paro na guys. But let's see. Almost 1.5 hours was ruki na let's see. 30 minutes se hona gole to jai jao. Victoria! Victor, come on, you don't scare me. I was scared. Oh my god, we are done with the Moroccan bath finally. How was your experience?
Amazing. I never felt so clean.
I never felt like a baby. I never felt so clean, really. That's a nice word. But the cleaning, the ladies who were washing us, they were so cunning. They were asking for a lot of tips, you know. What is this orange thing? I mean green thing? Laser? It's a little scary, right? To walk alone in this kind of huge space.
Why? Nobody's here.
Okay, now we are ready to have Moroccan food.
Yes.
We are going to a Moroccan famous traditional restaurant. So see you there and we'll enjoy the Moroccan food and go sleep like a baby. See you. Saying bye to the mosque now. The Moroccan bath was so hot and warm that we are not even feeling cold right now outside because it was so warm. Had so much fun. And I won't tell you what happens inside there because it's only for ladies. Inside the Moroccan bath there is 4 huge rooms with different sections and it divides from cold, moderate, high and very high temperature. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells so good. Here? Can we take reservation here? So we are going inside this famous Dar Dada restaurant. Oh my god, it doesn't even look like a restaurant. Like it looks like underground. But I can smell so nice. So nice food. It smells so good. Restaurant. It's like authentic Moroccan. And I can see here this guy is having a Moroccan tea. Oh my god, so crowded. Thanks for bringing me here. I wouldn't even know. So nice. Very noisy as it is. So noisy. I ordered beef shank tagine with rice on the side, and my friend, she ordered goat cheese salad, and her main course lamb tagine as well, and it was amazing. And this is how it looks like after finishing the food. We ate so much. Morning guys, I'm almost ready for my flight, but I just found out paper outside my door saying that the wake-up call is extended. Instead of 11:05, it's gonna be 11:40, so I have some few time to spare and I'll just enjoy it. Meantime, I'll also drink my coffee. After the Moroccan bath last night, I slept like a baby. Oh my god, I feel so good today. I didn't want to wake up at all. I slept 9.5 hours, and now it's 11:20, I think. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my videos. Please do like, subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed my Moroccan layover video, and please continue to watch my videos, share, like and comment, because I love to see you guys commenting. And let me know if you have any ideas what videos I should make or what will be interesting for you guys. Do let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.